Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with kind of a special video that I'm going to do today. We get a lot of questions from potential customers or even existing customers. Do you scan for options? Now, the truthful answer is no, we do not scan for options. However, we do have some option filters that I think can be really, really helpful for those of you who do trade options. Now, I do not trade options, but this is my go-to scan every single day now, okay? Because what it does is it shows me stocks that are having abnormal option activity. So let me just show you what this is all about. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to right click on this. And I can give you this, by the way, I run a free trading room for Trade Ideas. You don't have to be a Trade Ideas subscriber. You can come on in. Now, you have to be a subscriber to have this scan that I'm going to show you, but this is a free room. But let me just show you what our option filters look like. So I'm going to click on the search. I'm going to click on options. And we have some obvious ones, I guess. We have the put-call ratio. We have the option volume today. We have the put volume today, call volume today, option volume today, of course, is the combination or the addition of puts and calls. These two, though, the option volume today contracts, this is the average number of contracts traded over the last 10 days. And then this is the key one right there, the option volume today percent. So let's just say on average, a stock has traded 5,000 contracts over the last 10 days. If you use this filter, this option volume today filter, and let's say use 300%, a ratio of 3, for you to see that stock today, it will have to be trading 15,000 contracts a minimum. Remember, 5,000 on average over the last 10 days. So to see it today, it's got to be trading at least 15,000 contracts minimum. So let's take a look at this one. This is what I'm using right here. This is the filter that I've got. And I have some other filters in place, of course, but this is the key right there. The option volume today is at least 300%. Now, I'm only using 500 contracts at the beginning because just in case a stock is really starting to ramp up, and it's going to be trading by the end of the day, 10, 20,000 contracts. But of course, all of these filters right there are adjustable. In other words, if you want a different price range or you want a different minimum volume, even the minimum contract to start off with, you can do it. But what the people who trade options in our trading room tell me is that this is a really invaluable scan because let's face it, how are you going to find, there are a lot of optional stocks out there, but how are you going to find the ones that you want to trade today? The ones that are trading abnormally. And again, I find that this scan right here, moving higher with unusually strong options, 300% is what's absolutely my go-to scan. I can have a lot of different scans at Trade Ideas, but this is the one that I use over and over and over again. And again, I find it invaluable. And of course, it's not just these are ones moving higher with abnormal option activity, but of course, I also have the flip of it, which is showing me stocks that are moving lower with abnormal option activity. So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, you can come into our trading room. I have here 8 o'clock. The room is actually open between 8 and 9 for those of you who want to just chat amongst yourselves. I do get on the mic though at 9 o'clock and I go to 3, sometimes 3:30. I share my screen and again, I'm live on the mic and it is totally free. So thanks for listening and I hope this helps you. Bye-bye.